Okay, check the slide.
Holy freakins!
I'm Sarah, and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years and are currently renovating our 3rd house with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys.
Hi, Chucky. No toes. Ah!
That's him.
Ah!
Subscribe and join us on our next adventure.
You wanna help me for a second, Sawyer?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay, come on over here on that other side. Dang it! Hold on.
So you're gonna undo it and...
Yeah, I gotta do glue.
Hey, Daddy. One of those things I'm really good at.
One of the things you're really good at? Is that what you said? What?
I'm really good at doing tricks and drawing and cooking and dodging. Basically, I'm really good at dodging, right?
Yep. Be real soft and careful with it. Now Sawyer, you're just gonna fit it into here so it's at the same height. Lincoln, you see the mark on the wall? Hey Sarah, I need your sketches for the trim in here.
See that?
Oops. Did you see it?
No, I just heard you yell. And it
Yeah,
flickered my light in there.
It just arced off it didn't shock me, it just arced off my tools. Blew a breaker in to go. Can you hand me a pencil?
It's right there. Next week, that door will be installed, the correct door will be installed, and then we can finish this room.
Okay, now we have Mama and Daddy's present for you guys. This one's to Sawyer.
Ah,
Here, I'll help you.
shouldn't they open it at the same time?
Here, Link.
What is that, Lincoln?
I don't know. Whoa! What is this?
it is.
You guys got it.
It's body armor. It protects you so when you fall, it doesn't hurt.
There you go.
Yeah, put it on.
I got blue.
And when you guys save up and get a dirt bike, then you can use it when you ride a dirt bike too. Okay, it says, Dear Sawyer and Lincoln, you boys were so great this year. Keep up the good behavior. Listen to your mom and dad. I have one more special gift for you, but you'll have to find it. First, go check if all your toys are put away.
Oh, every single toy. Oh, there's a note.
Oh, he's leaving clues.
This is so fun.
What's it say?
I don't know. I can read a little bit.
It says, great job. Now follow your stomach to find the next clue.
What does that mean? What does that mean? Upstairs, hungry.
In
the food pantry.
Oh, go, go, go.
Oh, note. Oh,
Grab it.
Mom. Mom, Santa's leaving clues.
Okay, come back, let me read it. Now put on your winter clothes and check the mail.
Check the mail.
Get on shoes. Get on your snowshoes and jackets. Snowshoes and jackets, Max.
But hey, what about my armor?
Oh, your feet are gonna be cold in those.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Where's this clue again?
In the mail. Yeah. Not a clue.
What's it say? Okay, this one says, last clue, boys. Hope you enjoy this present and use it safely. To find your present, go for a slide. A slide? Maybe a slide down the hill?
No, our playground.
Oh, I bet the slide on the playground.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, check the slide.
Whoa, dirt bike! Dirt bike! Holy freaking dirt bike!
Whoa!
I want the blue dirt bike. Okay, I'll take the red dirt bike. Oh, serious! Oh! It's too fun! Take the cover off, guys. Look at him.
Okay, check the slide.
Whoa! Dirt bikes! Dirt bikes! Holy freakins! Dirt bike!
Whoa!
Blue dirt bike! I want the blue dirt bike. Okay, I'll take the red dirt bike. Oh, serious! Oh!
Take the cover off, guys. Look at him.
Take it off. No, this way, Lincoln. It's our dirt bike. Whoa, my dirt bike. Holy
I can't believe he got you guys dirt bikes.
I told you he would. This is the best present ever seen.
This is crazy.
Yeah, he does bring dirt bikes.
How you doing, Lee?
Oh, sorry, I forgot that was on you.
Do you have fun?
Okay, hop on.
Good job. Keep going, not fast.
I was trying to turn it. None of the videos to Santa.
You okay? You're doing a good job, Wayne.
Come here, Max. Why? What are you worried about? You worried she's gonna get hurt?